Audrey, let's try some cereal here.
For the first time.
For the first time. Audrey.
You're supposed to eat it.
No, don't wipe your tongue off. Here. What? Oh.
Are you gonna feed yourself?
Okay, well, there you go. Did you eat everything off there? Can I have it back? Can I have it back, please? No? Okay, Dad, here we go. Here's some more. Are you swallowing? No, get your hand out of there. Want some more?
She's blowing bubbles with me.
Yum. Yeah, oops. Did I drip some on you? Want some more? You can't, no. I can't put the spoon in if your fingers are there. I think it all just fell off the spoon. Let's try to get some chunks in here. Did I get you on the nose with it? I guess the tongue sticking out means she likes it. She wants more?
But is she actually eating any?
I don't think so.
Or is it just falling out of her mouth?
Are you swallowing? Well, she must be, because, well...
I don't know.
Her tongue is covered with it. Yeah. Good girl, Audrey. Good girl. Yay. You look like you've been doing this forever.